Disclaimer: this analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing in stocks involves risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Let's dive into the technical analysis of JyotiCNC Automation Limited, currently trading at 1,177. The stock is currently 18.81% below its 52-week high of 1,449.95 and 219.89% above its 52-week low of 368. The technical indicators paint a mixed picture. The RSI suggests that the stock is at a neutral level, indicating neither overbought nor oversold conditions. The MACD also indicates a positive but weakening momentum, suggesting caution. The stochastic %K is near the midpoint, aligning with the RSI's neutral stance. Meanwhile, the stochastic RSI is showing some bullish potential but is not yet in an overbought territory. The ADX, though, is on the lower side, indicating a weaker trend. The stock is trading above its EMAs and SMAs, which suggests an overall bullish trend, but the proximity of the current price to the moving averages implies that the stock might face resistance or support around these levels. Recent chart patterns, including a bearish engulfing, suggest potential short-term weakness. This pattern could signal a reversal or consolidation period, so traders should watch for potential resistance around the recent highs and key support near the lower moving averages. In summary, JyotiCNC Automation shows a bullish trend with some cautionary signals. Traders should monitor the resistance levels near 1,200 and potential support around 1,150, while being mindful of the bearish pattern which could impact short-term price movements. Please visit ParthaKuchana.com for in-depth financial and stock market related information.